Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the miracle solution for cough. Have you ever heard that cabbage is good for cough? It's ancient knowledge to known from Eastern and Western civilization in the history, especially for Eastern countries, China, Korea, India. It has been used for respiratory inflammation and sore throat and cough. Did you know that? Also, before and after Christ, cabbage had been known that best medicine in the Rome. In fact, those those who kept cabbage in their land considered themselves pharmacy land. They are accepted like that. Okay, that's all acknowledged, but how it's work? We will focus on now. According to scientific studies, cabbage has rich vitamin C and polyphenols, which is known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect components. These soothing components of cabbage support the expectation process against cough. Well, how to use cabbage? You will drink one glass cabbage water in morning and evening. That's help to get rid of respiratory inflammation and sore throat. So, how to obtain cabbage juice? Boil 1 liter of water and add 1 or 2 cabbage leaves into it and boil for 5 minutes on low heat. And your medicine is ready. Take care of yourself, hope to be well, and don't forget to drink cabbage juice for sore throat and cough. Have a nice day, guys.